I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feels so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a shop hush haul. It's a little bitty one, and most of you will not be surprised. My crazy hair. Most of you will not be surprised what you'll see in this box, because I made a big to-do about making sure everybody knew that the After series by Bad Habit palettes are back in stock. And as of the last time I checked, which was yesterday, they're still back in stock. And so I just wanted to quickly show you all four of them. Show you what they look like. I'm not going to swatch them because obviously they're brand new and they're going to go to somebody. But I also got a few pigments and another palette to show you. So this will be a quickie, but some good stuff. So I'll start with the After Party. You guys know that I've been doing a series of the After palettes, and I've used all of them except for one, and I'm actually saving the last one, which is Aftershock, for a collab. So that'll be an upcoming, something upcoming for you to be looking for. Alright, this is what it looks like. Oh, let me blind you. This is what it looks like. Kind of turn it so maybe the lights will hit it. Super pretty. Definitely a smoky eye type palette. And excellent quality. Like I said, I've used all of these. I own all of these already. So, why would I buy a whole nother set? I don't know. Next is the After Hours palette by Bad Habit. This is my favorite. And if I didn't say so, these are dupes for the Huda Obsession palettes, the little mini palettes that came out at Christmas time. That everybody went nuts over because they were little bitty, but they, you know, they weren't so expensive that a lot of people could afford them. So there's the, but these are only $10, $12. But you can get the whole set for $30. And that's the best way to do it because they're all worth it. And this is a pinky, rosy, burgundy type palette. And it is my favorite. And it is super gorgeous and beautiful, as you can see. So pretty. And you know it's got the pinks in it, so I'm all about it. And you know this, man. I used to say that all the time, and you know this, man. If you know what movie that's from, comment down below. I think most people know. Alright, this is the one that I haven't done a look with yet, but I will. Aftershock. And wow. This, you guys. It is so pretty for people who are either wanting to delve into more color or who just already are all about the color. This is what the palette looks like. And I'm trying to be extra super duper gentle and careful so that I don't mess it up. And that's, the inside. Seriously. Beautiful colors, you guys. And like I said, I'm doing looks that kind of go in depth to each one of these. I will link the playlist up there for you of the three that I already have done if you want to go see how they perform or what they look like. Definitely quality shadows. Obviously, I wouldn't have bought the set a second time if they weren't. And finally is After Dark. Da, 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 da. And that's what that one looks like. And this is a super warm, bronzy, oranges, warm browns, bronze shimmer. Yeah. So if that's your cup of tea, then this is the palette for you. So those are all the After palettes. I ordered one more palette on the recommendation of Nikki Murphy, I think. In fact, the eye look that I have right now is using this palette. And so if you want to see a full review and demo and swatches of this next palette, then I'll link that up there for you. I'm going to be a linking fool. And the reason I got this, which is the SAHARA palette by Face Candy, is because I hadn't tried any other brands of palettes from Shop Hush except for Bad Habit. And Nikki Murphy, I know that's who it was, did a beautiful look with that gold color right there on her lid, and it was super pretty with these warm browns. I tried to go the cooler route with some of these, and it turned out pretty. I'm not fully impressed, as you'll see in the demo and the review, but still a pretty solid palette. And I think this is a dupe for something, but I don't know what. But either way, I'm glad to have it. I will give it some more use, and I'll try some of the other shades. But I'm happy with the look that I came up with, and this look was filmed and will be up, obviously, as part of the demo. All right, I guess it's a Nikki Murphy kind of time for me. I've been watching a lot of her videos, but she mentioned these Malibu Glitz pigments. And she had several different colors. I just chose the ones that looked pretty to me, green and purple. And I also found another pigment, and this one's by LA Colors, and I'll swatch these for you. She said don't sleep on these, that these are kind of like a hidden gem. I agree with her as far as the green one is concerned, or the teal one. I'm not so sure about the purple one. It doesn't swatch that good, but I haven't used them on my eyes yet. But there's the green one. Let's see if it has a name on the bottom. It does, but it's tiny and I can't see it. So I'm going to swatch this for you on my hand. Okay. I must not have gotten enough in here on my finger because it's not showing up like it was last night when I did it. All right, let's try this again. Okay. It's still looking funky. Okay. We'll try this one more time. I thought these were really good, and yeah. At least it doesn't like fly out, right? Okay. Now I think I actually got some pigment into the cap here. Okay, here we go. Yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Super pretty. Kind of a mix between teal and hunter green. But I just thought that would be beautiful on the lid. And you guys know, pink is my color, of course, but I do really like teals and turquoises and aquas and those kind of colors as well. I'm making a mess and a half of my vanity right now. Next, I'm going to show you, this one's called Lavender. Maybe now that this is called, the green one is called Pine Tree. That would be why it's almost hunter green. It's Pine Tree. And this is the lavender one. I'm going to go ahead and put a lot in the cap before I even open up this mug. And this one didn't swatch as well, but maybe I didn't have enough out when I was swatching it last night. It is kind of crumbly. And it's just not, not as opaque. And last night when I was playing around with this, I did build it up some. And this is more, I would say this is more of a lilac color than a lavender. And I would think more than likely if I was going to use these, I would be using them with a wet brush, and I think that might intensify the pigmentation on these, but we'll see. And finally, this is a LA Colors Ice Pigment Powder, and this is in the color glowing. And it's kind of a champagne-y, yeah. It has a sucky plastic sticker-like sifter on it that just fell out. Oh, that was just the sticker. Okay, so we're having a fun time here with the sticker that fell out and all the pigment. I'm getting all over my shirt. Yeah, this is why I don't do pigment. I'm a mess and a half without something being loose and able to be all over the place. But anyway, let me swatch it, and I'm just gonna, this one out of all three is the prettiest. Super pretty champagne gold. So, not a bad deal. These were all $3. So, I can see myself using that. Instead of making a god-awful mess, I'm just going to dump what's in the cap into my trash, and I'm not even going to deal with that sticker anymore. So, that's it, you guys. Like I said, super mini haul. Didn't have a lot of money, didn't want to spend a lot of money. I was mostly after that set of palettes because dun, 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 secret giveaway time. That makes me so happy to do that. Anyways, I have been kind of hinting around during my lives and just saying this to a lot of different people that I was just going to start sneaking giveaways into my videos. And the only way that you're going to know I'm having the secret giveaway is to watch my video and watch it all the way to the end and drink in the entire essence of Sherri. That sounded really weird. Okay. To watch the video all the way to the end, because who knows when I'm going to get a wild hair and decide that I want to give something away. So, here's the deal. I'm going to give away one of these palettes, and whoever wins is going to get to choose which one. There's going to be one winner. I'm going to sneak these in. I'm going to tell everybody which ones are left and which ones they have to choose from. I'm going to sneak these in. Who knows when it's going to be? It might be tomorrow. It might be a week from now. I don't know. Whenever the feeling hits me. All right, so to qualify for the giveaway, all you have to do is make a comment in the comment section and answer the question, what is my favorite color? If you've watched me at all for very long, you will know what my favorite color is. I talk about it all the time. I say it all the time. I call myself a blank lady. All right, so for this secret giveaway, you will have a choice of After Dark, Aftershock, After Hours, and After Party. So if you're watching this, you're getting in on the bottom level first secret giveaway, so you're going to have a choice of all of them. After a week or so, I will put all the names in a hat and I will come on a live stream and do a live winner announcement. So thank you for joining me for this little hush haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and if I do a live stream, it's on Wednesday evenings at 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time. So that's when you can be expecting some new videos from me. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. So thank you for joining me for this little hush. So thank you for joining me for this little hush haul. I hope you're excited about potentially winning one of the... And the only way you're going to know that I'm having avalanche. So, leave the comment. Yeah, leave the comment. This is going to be an editing nightmare. Do you hear me?
I can feel you